and most awe-inspiring explosions of all time. Number 1. The very first large man-made explosion happened in 1654 in the Dutch town of Delft when a 30-ton store of gunpowder exploded. It pretty much destroyed the entire town and kind of created the idea of a bomb. But really, on the scale of things, not a very big explosion. The second explosion I'm going to talk about is the largest accidental explosion of all time. It happened outside of the Canadian port of Halifax when two boats crashed into each other. Unfortunately, one of the boats was carrying nothing but explosives for use in World War I. It created a tsunami and killed over 2,000 people and pretty much destroyed the entire town of Halifax, Nova Scotia. Number 3! The world's second largest explosion before the advent of nuclear weapons was the intentional destruction of an island in the East River so that they could open up the East River to shipping. Unfortunately, that one was too long ago to have video footage of it. However, there was a similar island destruction in British Columbia in the 1950s, and we do have video of that. Yeah. Explosion number 4, the largest explosion before the advent of nuclear weapons, killed around 10,000 Germans during World War I. So the British troops actually dug under the German lines and laid down a huge amount of explosives. The evening before the attack, the British general was quoted as saying, "Gentlemen, tomorrow we may not change history, but we certainly will change geography." And before we get to nuclear weapons, because we're gonna get there, let's talk about the largest non-nuclear weapon ever designed by the US. The Massive Ordnance Air Blast Bomb, or MOAB, is also sometimes called the mother of all bombs. It has roughly the explosive power of 12 tons of TNT and can destroy a 10-city block radius. So I hope I freaked you out! Can you imagine living in a time where there was actually a feasibility of global nuclear war? I don't even live in the 50s and I want to go build a bomb shelter. If you missed the other 2 top 10 videos, you can see them right now. I'm going to put an annotation link up. John, I will see you on